Okay, so shout out to Verizon. This is a Samsung Intensity by Verizon. The last phone that I got, it was red. Some of y'all might remember that. It was red, and it didn't you know, it just kind of flipped up. It didn't flip up, but it slid up. And I dropped it. And I dropped it and my old camera that was also red, and my camera broke, the lens got jammed, and my cell phone screen completely shattered. So I went to Verizon, and they were like, okay, since you're on the family plan, y'all still gotta upgrade that's on the account. And then I was like, alright, I'll take that. And they were like, yeah, you can get a new phone and it'll be like $100 and something, or you can get an upgrade for $50. And I was like, I'll just take the upgrade. So I got the upgrade, and then like a couple weeks later, I started to notice that like I would be texting 3 people, thing 1, thing 2, thing 3. I could be texting them at the same time, having a conversation with all of them. And say thing 1 texts me, and I text him back, and then thing 2 texts me, and I text him back. It'll send it to thing 1, when I didn't mean it to send it to thing 1. I meant to send it to thing 2. Something like that. You get what I'm trying to say. It didn't send the text to the right people, and it's really starting to make me mad. So then, a few weeks after I had it, I turned it in, and then I got another phone. I got the exact same phone, and now this phone is doing it. So if you get a text from me and you're like, what? It wasn't to you. My bad. But yeah, I'm trying to get a new phone. I don't even like it anymore, because I hate that. You know, because you'll be talking about somebody and texting them, and then it sends it to them, and then so they're just kind of like, what? Yeah, I have those moments, believe it or not. But yeah, shout out to Verizon. I just went to the store today about it, and they were like, well, we reset all your settings, so I lost all my ringtones. And did I lose my pictures? And I lost all my pictures. So I just got some I got a new ringtone. A lot. But, yeah. I still don't like it. And I have my contacts though. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know.